Hi, I'm Litvarski and I'm going to play Galactic Warrior Rats on the Amiga. This was released by Summit in 1992 and this is a multi-directional shoot 'em up. So, in the beginning of the game we enter this shop and here we can buy some stuff. For example, we need weapons, but at first our strategy is to get this ghost gun, which costs 700 credits, and we only have 600 credits. So we are going to just exit and then gather some credits with our weak gun, but which has unlimited ammo. Here, that's enough. There we go. Back to the shop. The ghost gun is the most powerful weapon we can buy in the beginning. That's why we are going for that. As you can see, it's already much more powerful than the pea shooter we have in the beginning. Then our object is to well, let's see. Here are these power sources. Here's one, but it's protected by a force field. We must go and disable all these force fields, and then we can remove these power sources. This is our object in this game. And how does this work? First we have to collect some smart card, and then we go to this terminal. Now the terminal disables this one force field. Here this blinking pixel is us, and then in the lower left you can see that there's this force field which is disabled now. Like this. Now there are 3 left. Here's a teleporter which gives us transports us to another place. Here's another smart card. Here we go to the terminal and disable this one force field more. Yes, I'll go back to the terminal to buy some things, so I can buy energy refills. I'm going to buy an energy refill 2, which gives almost my all health back. Here's another power source. and another smart card. So we disable this force field, which is very close here. That's 2 power sources left. Only one left. I guess that no. Have to find a terminal now because I'm almost out of health. So I have to find still one more smart card and then get to the last power source. Oh. So here's the last power source, but it has still its force field on. There's a terminal here. No. here. Okay. Have to use my credits again. So I think that the last smart card is in the left area of this level. One key. Yeah, here's the smart card. For some reason I'm not getting any credits credits from these. Credits from these enemies anymore. I'm not sure if it is a bug or did I collect too many credits already. But whatever the reason, I'm not having enough health anymore, and I can buy only a small power up. Or energy refill. So that's the last power source. Now we have to get out of here by going to the beginning again. Oh! Didn't see that coming. Anyway, after that, yeah, the level is complete, the power sources have been removed. So I could only save this one vehicle I was using, but that got killed. So I don't have any credits to buy any new stuff now. I would buy a Gauss gun for this next vehicle, but I have only 100 credits. I think I'm still going to buy a auto shotgun because even that's a bit better than the original. Okay, now I'm getting credits. It's much harder with this pea shooter. So I'm almost dead already. So we are in this last vehicle and I almost can, well yeah, 575, almost can buy a gauss gun, or better even. So let's try to find some credits. 100 credits. Okay, I'm going to take the gauss gun. I should find a terminal to, because I have already one smart card. I should find a terminal to use this smart card now, but haven't seen one yet. Damn it! He just rammed me to death. Well, yeah. No can do. But anyway, that's kind of a resembles a bit Parade Ride, in that you have these spaceships you can go to and you have to destroy them. A little bit resembles. But yeah, hadn't heard of this game before today, and this is quite a fun game, it seems. So, thanks for watching.